Ram Prasad Bismil was associated with which one of the below conspiracies? Kakori conspiracy. Who is known as the father of Malayalam cinema? J.C. Daniel. Which is the first book of the Shiva trilogy written by Amish Tripathi? The Immortals of Meluha. Who is the author of the novel A Suitable Boy? Vikram Seth. When did terrorists attack Indian Parliament in 2001? December 13. Who constructed Mullaperiyar Dam on the Periyar River in Kerala? John Pennyquick. Who became the first Indian woman wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games? Vinesh Fogart. Which city is called the Millennium City of India? Gurgaon. Which is the state bird of Kerala? Great Hornbill. Who is the author of the book Our Films, Their Films? Satyajit Ray. In the pre-decimal Indian currency system, how many annas were there in 1 Indian rupee? 16. Draupadi Murmu served as the governor of which Indian state? Jharkhand. Which article of the Indian Constitution abolishes the practice of untouchability in any form, making it an offence punishable by law? Article 17. Who was a co-discoverer of the Raman effect? K. S. Krishnan. Who has been empowered the functions of the President if both the office of President and Vice President are vacant? Chief Justice.